Hello friends, welcome again. This is a project which you would have seen in your city that displays that what is the pollution level at that particular point in your city. So we have a sensor which detects the air. Right now we have only gas sensor, but we have sensors which can detect different types of pollutions and they can measure their pollution level also. So I have that sensor here and I want to display that what is the ppm or whatever measurement matrix is taken for the pollution for that particular gas. I want to display it on LCD in real time, and if the level is something on a higher side, I want to give a siren or some indication that you should stay away from this area. So the connections are same for LCD. I have just rearranged it on this side. Then in addition to that, what we have done, we have attached this gas sensor on analog pin A0, and for output we have taken a buzzer. For indicative output we have taken one green and red LED. Green LED will show that okay, the uh, things are fine, you are safe, under control, and when there is red LED, that means the pollution is above certain level. So when we come to the coding part, I have defined two variables. One is for red LED, one is for green LED. They are connected at pin number 2 and 3. My buzzer is at pin number 4. Sensor, as I explained, gas sensor at A0, and I have put some threshold 400 that you can set according to your application. For each pin, we have to set the pin mode, which one is output, which one is input. So sensor pin is input, all other three are output, and my LCD size is 16 cross 2. Then I simply say that I will read analog value from the sensor and print it on serial monitor. Serial print means on serial monitor. If this value is more than the threshold, I will digitally write red LED as high, green as low. So red will be on, green will be off. I will set the tone of my buzzer to 1000 for 10 seconds. 10,000 milliseconds means 10 seconds. I will clear my LCD, set the cursor at 00 and print the analog value. That means this is the pollution level. And by leaving 4 spaces, I will print some warning also that please evacuate, and then I am giving a delay. Else means if the value is less than threshold, green is high, red is low, no buzzer, LCD clean, print the value. We are still showing this is the pollution level, and we are just saying it is within the safe limits. So we start the simulation. At serial monitor, you will see the values are being printed after every 1 second because we have given the delay of 1 second. And here also you will find that we are printing the level is 306, you are safe. As you move it, the current value will be displayed, and as soon as you cross the 400 marks for 10 seconds, the buzzer will be on and it was showing that this is the level, please evacuate. And you can see the LEDs also. Right now we are in the safe limit, so it is green, and if we come in the danger limits, then red is on and green is off. So a very simple project, very useful project, and you can make it for your science projects, a very simple one, but a very useful and real world application. You should know very basic concept of programming, how to do the programming, because LCD at block level is not yet defined. You can add more sensors into this, more actuators, and make more complex projects. Add according to your requirements. By the end of this course, we will be going to those circuits where we are going to merge multiple sensors for multiple actuators for something like a home automation system. In the next video, we'll come back with a new project. Thank you.